Hello darlings, my name is Nikima and we are Spainhomes. Located in the residential area of Almajada, which is within the municipality of Mutxamel, I am coming to you today just 10 minutes northeast of Alicante city. This is a great residential area if you like to be urban, you like to be really close to the poles, but also have that great residential established environment of peace on your doorstep. And so the villa that I'm going to be showing you today is modern and monochromatic. Just recently built and now complete, it is absolutely gorgeous. On a plot of 400 square metres, the actual villa itself offers 226 square metres, 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and distributed on 3 floors. So let's get on with the video. As you can see, this is a residential street that forms a very quiet and well-established neighbourhood. And this is the pedestrian door that leads from street entrance into the home. So as you can see the architectural design of the building as we enter, the actual gardens and terraces do surround the property really beautifully. But you can see that it's got this really contemporary monochromatic use of the colours black, white and grey, which are really nice. But the actual plot itself gives you a really lovely landscaped garden that is minimal maintenance and can be adapted to your taste, and also comes with an automatic irrigation system. This pathway is a pathway that I'm stood on that leads directly to your front door. And also along the side of the home, very nicely, also has a gate that is automatic and allows your vehicle entry to a roofed parking space. This actual driveway and the parking space itself actually is designed for 2 vehicles, which is really handy. As I'm coming along now, along the stone flooring and pathways that lead to, we are actually entering what would be used as the entertainment, lounging, relaxing, building memories outdoors space for the family to enjoy. This is what you can see here, a sheltered outdoor dining space, and also you have a lounging space. You have full integration in the way that it connects you really nicely to your living areas of the interior and also the kitchen, which I'll probably show you when we go inside. But then you also have this gravel space here that can be used to your liking. You can keep it minimal maintenance, like it is, or you could adorn it with more plants and trees, or even if you wanted to have a lawn. What I really love is this focal point that you have outside, though, that I'm stood in, where you have this integration of the wood features that they've actually decided to adorn this shelter space with, just letting in a lovely dappled amount of sunshine and also shade for those like myself that don't want to sit in the sun all day. Now, as I'm coming out of this space, I'm now coming to a really nice rectangular swimming pool. The swimming pool is 7x3, where you've got steps on one side that lead gently down into an ever getting deeper swimming pool on this side. What's really nice is it's simple and easy to maintain, and it's a chlorinated pool. On one side, which I would imagine is the sun lounging spot, you also have, for the convenience of the swimmers, an outdoor shower. And then, as we go on, we have all of this expanse of garden space. Visualize and imagine what you can do with this outdoor living space. It could be adapted to whatever you may require. It also overlooks really nicely your living areas and also one of your ground floor bedrooms. So now I'm going to take you along the way and we're going to go back onto the path, and it leads us to the front door. Hello, come on in. So as you come in through the front door, it is a robust security door. You are immediately coming into a bright, welcoming and inviting entry hall that leads to an open plan living room, dining room and kitchen. Altogether, this is a space that offers 57 square metres, and where I'm actually stood in the living area, there's a ceiling height of 6.4 metres. Throughout the rest of the home, the actual ceiling height is 2.6 metres. What you can see is the interior design is giving you a very monochromatic feel with the beautiful balance of the white with the light grey flooring and also the aluminium steel doors and windows. It gives you a real sense of being able to visualize lots of beautiful pictures on these gorgeous walls. But anyway, in saying that, where I'm stood is the perfect spot for the living room area to be. It also then leads on to a really nice dining space. This dining space actually overlooks two sets of patio doors, giving you great ease fantastically to either the swimming pool or your gardens. For that open plan feel, you have here a fully equipped kitchen. Your kitchen here has a central island with a beautiful marble top countertop surface, I have to say. It gives you the option of having your breakfast bar on one side, but then it also provides you with cabinetry on the other. The cabinetry is really lovely and spacious and deep, so you can facilitate lots of different things and hide them away really nicely. The continuation of that on this wall is the sense that you have your cupboards, but then you also have your integrated appliances as well. You have your Bosch cooker as well as your extractor, more cabinetry above. On this side, you also have your dishwasher. And then a continuation of your kitchen. On this side, you have your microwave and your oven. The hidden built-in would be the refrigerator and the freezer. What I really enjoy about the design of this particular kitchen is that you also have always, even in the kitchen, direct access to the terrace. And so I can imagine serving food, making it, and then giving it to my loved ones right here whilst we soak up the lovely evening climate. How wonderful would that be? And so anyways, I'll coming away from my daydreaming, into the kitchen space once more. I'm now going to take you to where we have more things on the ground floor to offer. So, for ease and for comfort for the family, you also have yourself a fully equipped guest bathroom, which is also light and bright. And then directly next to that, you also have another door that leads to a fully equipped laundry room. Again, you have storage in there with your built-in cabinetry, and you also have the washing machine. What I also like is that they've thought about the possibility as well of if you have invited guests come over, or let's say, for example, you want an office space on the same floor. This particular bedroom is again with a similar interior feel. It is the first of the four, and it offers 11 square meters. Here you have patio doors again that give you access directly into the garden, and also what's wonderful about all the bedrooms is they have the specifications of integrated wardrobes, power points, and also LED lighting. Taking you up the stairs of this light illuminated stairwell with clear balustrades and a ceiling height here of just over 4 meters, I'm taking you to the first floor where you will find the bedroom quarters. Here you have quite a wide hallway, but what I really like about this particular area of the space is it gives you a sense of the open and expanse that you have within the home. Not only can you actually experience this, but also see your living area below and also views of your gardens. And so as I take you along the hall, I'm going to take you to the second bedroom. So this bedroom, again, has a similar interior feel. As you can see on one side, you have a large window inviting views in and also natural sunlight. You also have your integrated wardrobes. And this actual room offers 14 square meters. As we come out of the second bedroom, I'm now going to take you back into the hall, taking you to the third bedroom. And the third bedroom is, again, a similar feel. This bedroom is 11 square meters. It gives you, again, views of the surrounding landscape, as well as your integrated wardrobes of functionality. What's really nice about the home is that the specifications run on both floors, really quite effortlessly in the sense that you have hot and cold and air conditioning, underfloor heating throughout, and also your electric shutters. Now taking you to the main bathroom, you will see that it again is fully equipped, and I really do like the tile iridescent design they have in that space. Now as we go back along the hall, to the other side, I'm now going to take you into the primary suite. The primary suite offers 20 square meters, and they have divided it so that they have made the most of the actual space. This is the actual bed area, the sleeping space, and it overlooks patio doors that give you access to your own private terrace. For functionality, they have gone with a large wall of integrated wardrobes, and then you also have a door that leads to your ensuite bathroom. This is again a spacious bathroom, much like all the others, and is light, bright and inviting as well. What I like about the ensuite bathroom in the primary is it also has a bath. But instead of us actually fascinated and also imagining ourselves soaking up those bubbles in the tub, I'm also going to take you onto the little private terrace that is offered as part of the primary. What's really nice as well is that you actually see not only your gardens below, but you actually get to have a space of your own next to your bedroom where you can also enjoy the sunshine on these days like this. The monastery of Santa Faz, also known as the Monastery of Veronica, is one of the most religious landmarks here within Alicante. Known for its tradition and stemmed in its religious culture that goes back to 1489, where this actual site is supposed to be where the miracle of Santa Faz actually had occurred. Inside this particular building, in the monastery, apparently also is the cloth of the face of Christ. What's wonderful about this particular structure, which was originally founded in the 16th century, is it shows incredible architectural design. It actually has its original tower, the original construction from the 16th century still intact, and underwent significant renovation right through the 18th century, 19th century and 20th century. It has influences of a variety of artists in the later centuries and has an incredibly beautiful neo-Baroque altarpiece in the interior as you will see it. What I really love about architecture like this is that it also does incorporate the community and religion and also culture at the same time. What's wonderful is that 2 Thursdays after Holy Thursday, thousands of people come on a pilgrimage here to Santa Faz every single year. And there are also traditional events that go on within the community around this time too. So if you like architectural beauty that you can also marvel at, along with historic artifacts and a little bit of culture thrown in there for good measure, then do come and check out this monastery in Santa Faz. Coming down to the lower floor basement, and this is a space that is additional for the family to use to their enjoyment. It actually offers just under 70 square meters of additional living space with a ceiling height maintained of 2.6 meters. It is well illuminated with LED lighting, but you also even have on the other side of the room a natural little patio that lets in natural sunlight. What I like about it is you could use it for a gym, a studio, a workspace, or even a children's playroom or additional bedroom should you like. You also have on this floor for convenience a fully equipped bathroom. And then on this side, taking you over to this way, this is where you also have an even more illuminated space on the side of the basement. What's wonderful as well is you get to see on the wall that it's got a system for the solar panels, which are already installed and working. The nitty-gritty. The property tax, or EB, is approximately €600 per year. The community fee is €30 per month, and the refuse is €180 per year. As you can see, this is a modern, contemporary family home that offers lots of space and also lots of comfort. It has everything that you need in terms of specifications for day-to-day comfort, functionality, and also sustainability. What I think is really appealing also about this home is it's in a quiet and well-established residential area. With families nearby, it's got a great feel to it, and it's actually quite a welcoming place to come and actually live your life. If you like the convenience of being really close to the city of Alicante, but not wanting to quite live in the thrust of it, you're only 10 minutes away. And if you like to travel, only 15 minutes away from the airport, which you really couldn't get much closer. What I love about this particular residential area as well is that it borders so many great things that are points of interest, whether your tastes of sport, gastronomy, looking at monuments of historic architecture, you name it, you've got it all within reach. And so if you want to know some more, then come to our website and check it out, which is spainhomes.estate. They will have a description with all of the finer details there listed. Anyway, in the meantime, I'm going to say ciao for now. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. My name's Nikima, and I will see you next time. Hasta pronto!